Number 1.
1993 Chevrolet C1500, price $8,000, all original truck with just 69,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives like new. The truck features a blue exterior and a tan interior, both of which are in original condition. While the paint on the hood and roof has begun to fade from age, the sides still maintain a shiny finish. The vehicle will need a new paint job and a set of new tires. Inside, the truck boasts a clean and well-maintained interior with no cuts or holes in the upholstery. The dashboard does have some cracks, but a cover has been placed over it.
All features and components are fully functional, and everything works as it should.
This C1500 has been carefully preserved over the years and is a great example of a low-mileage, original classic pickup. It runs and drives exceptionally well and is ready for a new owner.
Number 2.
1986 Ford F-250, price $9,500, rust-free example with 117,000 miles, powered by a strong 460 V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It features a Holley 750 carburetor, Holley electric fuel pump, headers, a 30/RV cam, MSD ignition and distributor, dual electric fans with Bluetooth control, and a new choke. The truck sits on a 6-inch rough country lift with good tires and rims. The red exterior is in great shape, featuring LED headlights, smoked marker lights, underglow LED lighting, and new front and rear bumpers. A new windshield and fresh body mounts with bolts add to its structural quality. The red interior is exceptionally clean for its age.
Recent maintenance includes a new gas tank, thermostat, heater core, radio, and tracking bar.
It has passed a brand new inspection and drives well, though it could use a little TLC.
Number 3.
1983 Ford F-250, price $7,000, with approximately 147,000 miles on the odometer. It sports a matching gray exterior and interior, giving it a clean, cohesive look. Under the hood, it's powered by a built 302 cubic inch small block Ford the 5.8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck is equipped with fully operational 4-wheel drive. The vehicle runs and drives smoothly, and has recently undergone a number of important maintenance updates. All fluids have been changed, and the braking system has been completely refreshed with new brakes, new hoses, and new brake lines. New emergency brake cables have also been installed. This F-250 runs on gasoline and is ideal for someone looking for a dependable vintage truck that's ready to use and easy to build upon. As an added bonus, it comes with a brand new metal cowl hood that has not yet been installed, giving the next owner a great upgrade option.
Number 4.
1980 Ford F-250, price $8,700, with 138,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in blue with a contrasting burgundy interior, it features a 4-speed manual transmission and is powered by a reliable 302 V8 engine. The truck comes equipped with power windows and door locks, an uncommon convenience for a vehicle of its age. Although the air conditioning system needs to be reinstalled, all the necessary parts are included. Recent upgrades include a brand new Edelbrock AV2 4-barrel carburetor paired with an Edelbrock Performer intake manifold, as well as a new timing chain, gears, and timing cover. The cooling system has also been refreshed with a new radiator and hoses. Fuel delivery has been improved with a Holley fuel pressure regulator and a return line to the tank, along with a new rear fuel tank and sending unit. While the truck does show some bumps and bruises from its years of use, it remains very solid.
Number 5.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500, with only 18,400 miles on the odometer. This truck has seen relatively low use for its age. It's powered by a strong 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, offering plenty of potential for restoration, cruising, or customization. The exterior is finished in a bold red that matches the red interior. Inside, the original interior remains in good condition and adds to the truck's vintage charm. Structurally, the C10 is in excellent shape overall, with only 2 small spots of concern located on the passenger side, nothing major and easily manageable for a restorer or enthusiast. It has a clean title, and for the full asking price, the seller is willing to include some new extra parts to help bring the project closer to completion.
Number 6.
1989 Ford F-250, price $4,800, with only 58,000 miles on the odometer, showcasing its limited use over the years. It comes finished in a clean white exterior paired with a bold red interior, giving it a timeless and eye-catching look. Under the hood, it's powered by the dependable 5.8L 351 V8 gasoline engine, mated to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The truck runs well and features cold air conditioning, making it a comfortable ride even in hot weather. Although it needs a basic tune-up and some general TLC, the truck is mechanically sound and presents a great opportunity for anyone looking for a solid project or a reliable vintage workhorse. With its low mileage, classic styling, and strong drivetrain, this F-250 has plenty of potential for the right buyer.
Number 7.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $3,000, with 116,000 miles on the odometer. It features a tan exterior and runs on gasoline, powered by a 2.2-liter engine paired with an automatic transmission. Recently serviced, the truck has a new fuel filter, fresh oil change, and newer tires, ensuring it's ready for the road. It starts up without issue and drives like an old-school workhorse, reliable but not built for speed. There's a slight rattle while driving and a squealing belt, both of which are typical for a truck of this age and character. While the toolbox shown is not included, the S10 remains a cult classic known for its simplicity and durability, making it a solid choice for anyone in need of a no-frills utility vehicle.
Number 8.
1985 Chevrolet C1500, price $8,500. This truck is a stunning example of a fully redone classic pickup, showing great care and attention to detail throughout its restoration. With a sleek black exterior and a well-preserved blue interior, the truck presents a bold yet classic appearance that turns heads wherever it goes. It has traveled approximately 250,000 miles, but thanks to consistent maintenance and a recent overhaul, it continues to run and drive exceptionally well. The vehicle features an automatic transmission, operates on gasoline, and comes equipped with a dependable 4x4 system, making it both a capable workhorse and a reliable weekend cruiser.
Notably, the body is completely rust-free and increasingly rare quality in trucks of this age. Number 9.
1988 GMC Sierra, price $8,500. This truck is a beautifully maintained example of a classic American pickup, now enhanced with a modern 5.3L engine and transmission swap. With just 82,000 miles on the odometer, it features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and runs perfectly, delivering a powerful yet reliable driving experience. The upgraded motor sounds amazing and adds to the truck's overall appeal. Sporting a clean white exterior paired with a classic blue interior, the truck not only looks sharp but is also completely free of rust, an increasingly rare trait in vehicles of this era. Running on gasoline, the Sierra combines vintage charm with updated performance, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts and daily drivers alike.
Number 10.
1978 GMC 1500, price $7,900. This truck features a white exterior paired with a blue interior, both of which retain much of their original charm. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it houses a 350 engine paired with a Holley 600 carburetor and a 4L60 transmission. A 208 transfer case and 35-inch tires give it added capability, while a 3-inch body lift provides an aggressive stance. The truck also sports a front end from a 1983 model and has had its bed repainted, though the underside and much of the exterior paint remain original. Inside, the cabin still features the original interior and includes aftermarket touch and gauge upgrades.
Air conditioning is installed, though it may require attention.